Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a very delicious vegetarian recipe. I'm going to make mushroom curry, and these are organic mushrooms. These are 8 ounce. Wash with the cold water and cut into small pieces. Olive oil for tadka, 1 onion, 1 green chili, 1 inch ginger. This is the jumbo 1 garlic clove. Water 2 cup. Spices from masala dabba. Mushroom cut into small pieces. Garlic, ginger, green chili, onion is also cut into small pieces. And let's start making our delicious mushroom curry. Get a karahi. Start gas. 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add 1 teaspoon cumin. Add garlic, ginger and green chili. We're going to cook only 10 seconds. Once the garlic flavor is gone, add onion. Mix it well. Cook onion until they are nicely translucent. So keep it moving so that they won't get burned. The onions are translucent. Add spices. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Cumin powder. 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, half teaspoon. Black pepper, half teaspoon. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Cook the spices for a half minute. Cooking of the spices for a half minute. Add tomato sauce, half can. Mix it well. Cooking tomato sauce for 1 minute. Add mushroom. Mix it well. Bring the gas to medium and we'll cook for 5 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes. This is how the mushroom looks now. Add water, 2 cups. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid. Cook it for 15 minutes. It's exactly 15 minutes cooking on a medium gas. After 5 minutes, I opened it and stirred it once, and then I let it sit for 10 minutes on medium gas. Now I'm going to open it. Mix it. If you like mushroom, then this is the best mushroom curry. You can add fresh dhania or cilantro. And I'm going to add kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi. Mix it well again. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and bring the gas to simmer. And we're going to let it simmer for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes on simmer. I'm going to turn off the gas. Open the lid. Our tasty vegetarian dish, mushroom curry, is all ready. I have my serving bowl ready. So delicious. If you like mushroom, then this dish is for you. Let me share with you. Vegetarian dish, mushroom curry. It's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it. You can always serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, and even it's good with rice flour. So please try it, and like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.